In Mr. De La Cruz's message in our convocation, he discussed about how God's love is special to an individual. Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 to 31. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, in our likeness, so that they may rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, over the livestock and all the wild animals, and all over the creatures that move along the ground." So, God created mankind in his own image. In the image of God, he created them. Male and female, he created them. God blessed them and said to them, "Be fruitful and increase in number. Fill the earth and subdue it. Rule over the fish in the sea and the birds in the sky, and over living creature that moves on the ground." Then God said, "I'll give you every seed-bearing plant on the face of the whole earth, and every tree that has fruit seed in it. They they will be yours for food, and to all the beasts of the earth, and all the birds in the sky, and all the creatures that move along the ground, everything that has breath of life in it, I will give a green plant for food." And it was so. God saw all that he had made, and it was very good. In this verse reveals the profound dignity and purpose of humanity. We created in God's image, given dominion over creation, and called to reflect his glory. This verse offers a foundation for understanding our place in the world, our relationship with God, and the importance of living life that honor him.